Guangzhou CF Leather Company Limited, established in 2018. It is a professional belts and bags manufactory. From sourcing, development, production, sales, and exported in belts, handbags, shoulder bags, wallets, and backpacks. We are located in Huadu District, Guangzhou City, China. Nearby the biggest leather town of Asia, International Leather Town. It's very convenient for us to purchase material for goods and shorten the production cycle. Our team have 20 years experience and a professional team in developing and production. There are 3 production lines and more than 85 workers. Can bring customers high-efficiency work and excellent quality goods. Our total production capacity is around 100,000 pieces per month, but we have very low MOQ. 50 pieces is workable for us, and very fast sampling and production time help our customer have fast money turn back. Our products will be environmental friendly as per customer's standard and meet REACH policy. Also, we are the leader factory to make products in recycle fabric. We have BSCI, SGS, SEDEX, Disney Audit. Our products are exported to America, Europe, Australia, and so on. Choose us. We can help you to get much better sales. Whatever price and quality, we can always give our customers the best suggestion so that their products win more and more business. Let's work together to make our both business much better.
This is our team. Let's work together to make our both business much better.